Hey guys, V here, and in today's video I'm going to show you this beautiful RTX 3060 MSi gaming laptop. So I went ahead and bought this today so I can make a few videos out of it. First I want to do an unboxing of this amazing laptop. Then we're going to go ahead and do a how to set up a brand new laptop or PC video. And then following that, after a few weeks of actually using this, I'm going to go ahead and review this. And basically we're going to go ahead and talk about, are gaming laptops good in 2021, especially with the addition of RTX 3000 series GPUs. Now without too much talking, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. I'm super excited. This is going to be my first look at this laptop, so this is going to be absolutely amazing. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, that's a heavy boy. There it is, the box itself, MSi. So, box looks pretty average. Let's go ahead and pop this open. Ooh, so basic packaging. They keep it tucked away in here very well. But here we can see the laptop. Before we take that out, I'm gonna go ahead and check in here. This might be the power brick. There's a cable, okay. So we got a cable, empty box. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Ooh, that is beautiful. Look at that. You can see the pipes on the inside. That is awesome. That looks amazing. Okay, I haven't actually used a laptop in quite a while. And the power brick, of course. So pretty standard stuff on the inside. Let's go ahead and pop this open and move this box. Oh, that looks amazing. So the screen is kind of a matte finish, which I really like. There's a lot of cooling air passages right there. Got a full-size keyboard. So overall, the look of it is like this brushed aluminum look. It's all black, very aesthetically pleasing. Like I said, the screen itself is a matte finish. There's a little web camera right there. This feels nice, even though I probably won't be using that very often. I'm gonna have a separate mouse. The back is probably my favorite part, with these gold accents and everything. Not gold, but shoot, I'm forgetting. Anyways, there's speakers on both sides here. So overall, it's looking like a very solid, well-priced laptop. Overall, if you're looking for a gaming laptop, I'm not sponsored. I'm not saying this as a sponsored post or anything like that. If you're looking for a gaming laptop, I think this is one of the ways to go. I know Aorus has some good options as well, so check those out, do your own research. But this one, for the price of $1,400 is what I paid. I think this is one of the most solid RTX 3000 series laptops out there. Let's go ahead and get this peel. Oh baby. Oh, this looks amazing. Look at that. It's like a brushed, like I said, like a brushed aluminum. It looks really nice. I don't think it is aluminum, but it looks like some kind of brushed aluminum. It looks really classy, really nice. I like the addition of this logo here. Wish they would have put like a light up one, but you know, that's fine. The keyboard does light up. Let's see if this has any juice in it. Let's go ahead and plug this in. I'll be right back. All right, standard charging cable. I don't know if USB-C would work with something like this, but if it would, that would have been nice to see. If not, ignore what I just said, because I'm not too sure. Yeah, there we go. So I'm not gonna go ahead and set this up just yet, because like I said, I do want to do a video on how to properly set up a brand new laptop or PC. I know you can't really see. Let me see if I can turn these lights down. Keyboard lighting. I'm sure there's a way to make them a bit brighter. But the keyboard is full RGB, which, as I mentioned earlier, is one of my favorite things. So basically, on first look, this looks very solid. Keyboard feels great. Mousepad feels great. Everything looks and feels great. Again, this was just an unboxing and overview. But for those of you that care about the specs, it has the Intel Core i7 10th generation 10750H 2.6 gigahertz processor. It's got, like I said, the RTX 3060 from NVIDIA, 6 gigabytes memory for the graphics, 16 gigabytes DDR4, 3200 megahertz RAM for the actual RAM itself, and then 1 terabyte solid state drive for storage. It's a 1080p Full HD IPS display, 144 hertz. So that's cool. Camera on the front is 720p HD, so not bad if you're using this for some video calls or whatever. So pretty basic, but very, very powerful. Now, again, this was $1,400 is what I paid for it, plus tax. That's pretty much all the basics. Again, I'm not gonna go too in depth in this video. I just wanted to make a quick unboxing to get y'all hyped up about this new series, and we'll go from here. Like I said, in the next few videos, we're gonna go ahead and talk about should you buy a gaming laptop instead of a PC in 2021? Because as you know, I was just at the store and I was looking around for GPUs and all of that, and I couldn't really find. And I will, just for fun, but I'm gonna put this up against a PC, an actual tower that also has a RTX 3060 in it, to see the performance difference between this laptop and that full-blown PC. So with that being said, if you have any questions about this specific laptop or other laptops like it, feel free to leave them down in the comments. Let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.